गोल गोल देखते मेरा खुलता मेरे अरे फ्लैश लाइट सामने की नहीं पीछे की पता मैं देखो मौलाना खोल भी दिया अभी क्या बैटरी लो भी बतला दिया मौलाना के पास
Inside the pipeline, it will have
ये
pressure.
क्या है बोल पास
Once it is crossing nozzle,
2020 में आके क्या अपन रेड वर्ड दिखा वीडियो लियो यार वो
आता तो यार तुम कॉमेंट हो गया मेरा तो वीडियो चल रहा तुम लोग खामोश बैठो जरा मारो रे
और
very good. Now see,
आगे इसने बोला
see, there is a shaft which is connected to that runner. So when that buckets are rotating, this runner also rotates. Here there are bearings here, which makes the movement very smooth. The purpose of bearing is in order to avoid friction. Even though there will be some friction when you install bearings, that compared to others it is very less. So when this rotates, we put a generator here. We put an AC generator or a DC generator, and we generate current with this movement of the turbine. Okay, समझ में आया? के देखो बड़ा संप है, कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे. ये see, these are models, they are not real.
नॉट रियल सर
लैब पर्पस सही में डैम्स में ये रूम के जैसा रहते ये टर्बाइन.
अच्छा
So these are lab purpose. So we made it to shorten.
अच्छा तो वीडियो ले ले रे
Yes, yes. Now see, can anyone guess what is this? Teflon कहाँ से आ गया है? See, this is reaction turbine. What's the difference between that and this? See, everything. Can you see any blades inside?
No.
So reaction turbine will happen in a closed atmosphere. Why? If it is exposed to atmosphere, you can't get pressure energy. Pressure atmosphere exposed होते ही pressure energy atmosphere हो जाता. So you can't generate power with this. So every setup of a reaction turbine is hidden. Even your centrifugal pump, घर में जो पंप रहता ना मोटर का, वो भी hidden atmosphere में होता. अगर उसको खुला रख दिए, पानी लिफ्ट नहीं होता ऊपर से, delivery valve. So this is the penstock connection. So from penstock, this is the opening end of turbine. So water rushes here and enters this impeller. We call these as impellers. वहाँ पे buckets ऐसे थे ना? There we use a word called bucket. Here we won't use a word called bucket. We say vane or blades. So it will be like this. A circle of blades. ऐसा blades लगाते एक circle रहता. So water hits and makes this to move in a circular manner. So पानी हल्लू stage by stage उसको रोटेट करता. प्रेशर एनर्जी इज नॉट डायरेक्टली वहाँ पे एक ही बार एनर्जी कन्वर्ट हो जा रहा. यहाँ पे हल्लू स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ओके, सो वंस इट हिट्स it makes the impeller to rotate and water entering here and leaving from the center नीचे चले जाते. So what type of this is inward radial turbine. inward बाहर से पानी आके सेंटर में से बाहर जा. ओके so when this thing is rotating, so we will put a generator at the topmost. Yeah, don't touch it. So it will rotate and will make the power with. Hey, उकड़ में कैंसर आके मर जाता. Another setup also. I can call this as both turbine and a pump. Yes, don't irritate. See here. You see this thing and you observe this thing. This can be a turbine as well as a pump. Both reaction turbine, you can't call impulse. Only reaction turbines and centrifugal pumps. Both are same. One uses current to lift water. The other uses water to produce current. समझ में आ रहा? So I'll explain both the mechanisms. Assume water is entering from that side. Yes, sir. From that side. So makes the impeller to rotate and generates power. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now assume you are giving current to that direction.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So water is entering from here. ये अगर पंप है समझो, water enters here. Center में से water आता, water आके वो फिरता ना. When you on that motor, the impeller will be also rotating. So when impeller rotates, water sucks and makes the rotation like this, and suddenly it lifts in this direction.
Sir, center में section कैसा?
क्यों क्यों नहीं होता? See when some blade is rotating, a fan कैसा फिर रहा? See that fan. You feel air is blowing down. If you stand the other side, you feel air is sucked from your side.
Yes, sir.
One side blowing means the other side is suction. So suction creates and the water is delivered. So you can call the thing as a turbine as well as a pump. Both are correct. Yes, go.
Thank you, sir.
This is venturimeter. Purpose of venturimeter is to find coefficient of discharge, both theoretical as well as actual discharge. See, venturimeter is an application of Bernoulli's theorem, where we use the law of conservation of energy. Pressure energy is converted into velocity energy, velocity energy is converted into pressure energy. That's the principle which says about Bernoulli's theorem. Total energy remains constant. So how this experiment works is, see, there is a pipeline. We call this as main pipe. Okay, and you see this only this part is considered as venturimeter. This as well as this. Now observe. See, suddenly pipe dia is decreasing, and there is a weaker section where the pipe dia is very small. That section is known as throat. Now you see suddenly the pipe dia is expanding. So this portion is called divergent portion. And I have put two tubes for both this, one to convergent portion, the other to throat portion. Why? See, water on this pipeline is constant, having constant velocity, constant area, constant pressure. We assume in that way. But when there is a decrease in area, there might be increase in velocity. So as I put one limb of the mercury manometer to convergent portion, the other limb to the throat. So this water with high velocity exerts pressure on the mercury limbs, right limb and left limb. One side will have, both the sides you will be having mercury. नहीं है यहाँ पे tube है?
नहीं है सर, इधर है सर, ये साइड है.
इधर
So both it will have mercury here. So this pressure, this water exerts pressure on that mercury. So height of mercury on both the sides will be fluctuating depending upon the velocity.
Yes.
So if this is the difference in levels, so you calculate this height x, you call the difference in height as x. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this thing is called collecting tank, where water is collected in this tank. What's the purpose of this? You can calculate actual discharge. कितने टाइम में कितने पानी ये टैंक में भर रहा. So there is an indicator here.
Yes.
So when the water level is slowly increasing, see there is a hole to this, to which there is a tube is connected. So similarly to the height of rise in this tank, there will be a rise here in this tube. So you can, there is a scale here, you can measure the height of rise. So assume it is at 5 centimeters. Start the stopwatch at 5. Now observe the time when it comes to 10. So to get 5 mm level of water, we'll get that water in 5 seconds, 10 seconds, depending upon the velocity of discharge, depending upon the actual discharge with this tank. Now what about theoretical discharge? You got x value here.
Yes.
Substitute that x in h is equals to x into sm by sf minus 1. एक फॉर्मूला है, याद करो फर्स्ट यूनिट में जाकर, सेकेंड यूनिट. So if you substitute there, you will get h value, height of mercury. Okay, it's a1 into a2 divided by under root a1 square minus a2 square into 2gh. a1 a2 is what? Area of convergent, area of throat. वो substitute कर. 2g are constant, g is h value यहाँ पे आता है, ये substitute. आपको थियरिटिकल डिस्चार्ज आ जाता है। ये एक्चुअल डिस्चार्ज। CD का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Q actual divided by Q theoretical. If you substitute both these values there, you will get coefficient of discharge, which will be around 0.95 to 0.98. उससे ज़्यादा आया, उससे कम आया, तो आप एक्सपेरिमेंट गलत है। So this is Venturi. Now this is pipe friction. Pipe friction, head loss due to friction बोल के बोला ना? So that's the experiment which says about pipe friction. पानी पाइप में से जा रहा, तो walls of the pipe, it's not working. Please make a move. There is no manometer also to check.
No, yes sir, manometer is there.
Hey,
Yes sir.
okay, review. Where will see reciprocating pumps?
Water.
Villages में पानी मिले. So that is a reciprocating pump. Piston will be there inside. It will move to and fro. When it is moving this side, it sucks the water from the ground level, and water is lifted and it pushes. In the next stroke, it pushes out. So we'll get a water at the discharge. Huh? So this is an experiment to show reciprocity.